M currently at 0258. Going sideways here for a while. This one was requested by quite a few people over here on investorshangout.com/live. Taking a look at it now. Again, it's been a while. So let's go ahead and pay attention to this pattern that we've seen here. There was a big gap here that came down and filled that you guys can obviously see there. And if I pull up our track of when we started following the stock, Jesus, hold on. 111.0028. Look at that. You guys see this right here. 111.0028 on alert, has room to move. So again, that was going to be on 111. Let's see where that was. Wow. Look at that, guys. You seen it right there. You can go back and find this video right here. We put that one on alert back there where that circle is. 0028. You would be up how many hundreds of percent now? Either way you look at it, you'd still be up a ton if you were following that alert then. So with that being said, let's pay attention to what's going on right now. There was a gap right here that got filled, came back down right here, came back up to this area, and this again is going to be where this channel trade really started to form. You guys got outside that channel trade, came back down, bounced off of it, came back down. Right now, you guys going to get that bounce? Well, it's very possible right now with the Bollinger Band starting to tighten together. I see somebody mentioned over here, VDRM has a possible patent, so we could start moving on speculation, or if that goes through or whatnot. 0360 is going to be a resistance line that I put up here that we have as a mid-channel trade. Back here, you guys tapped it, and here, this is going to be the first confirmation back here on on February 21st. And looks to be a little bit further back. So anyways, you guys come down to the 0227 is going to be the bottom of that channel trade, and the upper end is going to be roughly around that 02. I mean, you guys can actually go up a little bit higher, but we're going to call that about 5 cents for now, in my opinion. Watch for it right here for that buying pressure to start picking up. And looking into everything here, I'm just trying to see the last time that it broke the moving averages, which would have been here on that big candle, 320 March 21st. So that's what we're going to be watching for here. Watch for the volume to start picking up. It looks like it's going to hold that support at 0227. It came down there quite a few times and tapped that and confirmed it over here at 0234 and starting to go sideways off of that. So again, we're going to watch for 0227 to hold. And then the volume to pick up and break you through that 30-day simple moving average. I'll hand this one off to Joe again. It's been a while.
All right, so I'm going to go to the last two. What was the last time we went over it together?
322.
22nd?
Yep.
All right, yeah. All right, so since then, there's been two different things. There was a notification of a late filing. So I pulled that up really quick to get an idea of what's going on with that. And it states the reason is Bioderma Incorporated is still waiting on a third-party documentation in order to properly prepare and complete an accurate annual report for the year ending December 31st, 2016. All right, so with the thing, you could probably expect it, have it written here as of April 17th, 2017. You can expect that report being out. It says right here. That's that. All right, so they had their latest press release, and they've paid close attention to it. I'm going to read it to you right now. I like this one. So it's Bioderma Incorporated enters the sexual dysfunction market and files with the Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, for a new OTC drug to conquer premature ejaculation for men. All right, so Bioderma Incorporated, a specialty pharmaceutical company devoted to bringing new products to market, recently announced today that the company has filed with the FDA, Food and Drug Administration, for a new over-the-counter OTC version of its premature ejaculation drug. The new OTC drug should have FDA registration approval in approximately 8 weeks, and the company's name of the new drug will portray prolonged endurance. The company's recent testing of the drug has proved to be successful in retarding the onset of ejaculation during sexual intercourse. The market for male sexual dysfunction is dominated by Viagra and Cialis. Both are taking orally and erectile dysfunction ED. The company's alternative is a topical solution that does not have to be ingested and processed through the digestive system. The company believes There's a vast market for this type of non-orally ingested new product and should generate significant company revenue starting in 2017. This is another product in the go-to-market strategies pipeline. Company already has located a suitable distributor and is attempting to assure a solid strategy behind the launch once the FDA submission is approved. Company is continuing the completion of the labeling, quality control, marketing, and distribution now for several products. The company continues its plan for an aggressive growth for 2017 and the years ahead. Premature ejaculation is the most common male sexual disorder, and it may have a profound negative impact on a man and his partner's lives. Premature ejaculation sprays became available in the UK in last year in November, but men wishing to use it would have to visit the doctor, who would then have to order the spray from a pharmaceutical company. In the US, topical sprays that treat PE are available OTC, and reported testing these types of products work on 9 out of 10 men and can have them last twice as long during sexual intercourse. Research reports have found that premature ejaculation treatment segments of the sexual dysfunction market has been estimated to be around $1.3 billion for 2017. Also reported the market for these types of products could become larger than the tablet or oral ED market. The sales of the topical market are reportedly up from about $684 million in 2010. Based on US and European approval of several new products, the market is expected to increase in value by around 10.3% in 2017. All right, so that's the press release from April 5th, 2017. So that is that. So if you want to continue doing your research on Viaderma, just go right over to that VDRM board on Investors Hangout. From there, you will see the company profile, the time in sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy ratings. And if you have an opinion, feel free to share it by posting on that message board with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
All right, that's right. Over here on the chart, 0258, watch for a bounce off of the lower support 0227, resistance at 030326, 0360, and 0497. That's going to be your resistance levels. Watch for that. Start picking up VDRM. If you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and share this video with all other investors on different stock message boards, forums, and social networks. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us as well, let us know about it over at investorshangout.com/live.